Close your eyes for a second and imagine a world where the boundary between what is real and what is digital simply vanishes. Imagine playing on a pair of glasses that weighs no more than your favorite headset. It possesses the raw compute power of a high-end gaming PC. A device that doesn't assure you a virtual world. It weaves digital life into the very fabric of your living room with such precision that your brain can't tell the difference. We have been waiting for this moment for over a decade. We've endured the bulky plastic boxes, the grainy displays, and the tethered cables. That era is officially over. Welcome to the future. Welcome to Meta Quest 4. Not just another iterative of the Quest 3S or mind spec bump to keep shareholders happy. The Meta Quest 4 is Mark Zuckerberg's on-mode. A race designed to not only dominate the VR market, but to finally, decisively, take down the Apple Vision Pro. For months, the rumors have been swirling. Supply chain leaks from Asia, firmware sleuthing from the deepest corners of Reddit, and whispers from AFI Reality Labs have all pointed to one thing. Meta is about to release a monster. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the Silicon. The Meta Quest 4 is rumored to be the debut vehicle for the Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 Gen 3. Now, if you're a tech enthusiast, those numbers should make your heart race. We're talking about a leap in GPU performance that isn't just 20 or 30%. It's a generational shift. Early benchmarks suggest a 50% boost in raw graphical power over the Quest 3. But raw power is only half the story. The Gen 3 chip features a Bakia NPU, a near-processing unit, specifically designed for AI. This is the Apple Intelligence Killer. This chip allows the Quest 4 to handle complex environment meshing, hand tracking, and eye tracking simultaneously without breaking a sweat or draining your battery in 4 ms. What good is all that power if the world you're looking at looks like a VU game from 2010? This is where Mao is making its most aggressive move. For years, Meta stayed with LCD panels to cut costs down. And it's a smart business move. It left the door wide open for Apple's Micro-OLED diodes. Not anymore. The leaks are virtually unanimous. The Meta Quest 4 is moving to 4K Micro-OLED displays. We are talking about 3200 by 3200 pixels per eye. Think about that. That is nearly double the resolution of the Quest 3. The screen door effect. The annoying grief pixels that has played VR since the beginning. Virtually dead. When you put a headset on, text will be as sharp as a physical book. Movies will look better than they do on your 4K OLED TV because there's no ambient light to ruin the contrast. The blacks will be true, deep, inky blacks. Not the muddy gray we've grown used to. And then there's the optics. Meta's pancake lenses were already gold standard. Quest 4 is rumored to introduce super pancake optics. These lenses are thinner, lighter, and offer a staggering 180-degree field of view. To put that in perspective, Quest 3 sits at around 110 degrees. A 180-degree FOV means your pure